So today we have the 5-channel timer. It's currently set to the clock setting, so in order to adjust this, all you have to do is hold down the clock's button for 2 seconds, then it'll start blinking like so. And then these buttons are here, HMS, hours, minutes, seconds, to adjust the hours, minutes, and seconds. But I already set it up, so I won't be messing with that. If I go back to timer 1, I can set it up for 6 seconds. Timer 2, set it up for 9 seconds. Timer 3, set it up for 7 seconds. So they're all gonna go off. Timer 3, timer 1, timer 2. So yeah, that's clock button, 5-channel timers, memory, hours, minutes, seconds, clear button, start stop. If you want to have it at high volume, medium, or muted, it does have a stand. And this does take AAA batteries, so 2 AAA batteries and you can replace it.